video. It's just going to be a chill vlog. We're on our way to the store. We're gonna go to Old Navy right here in Bakersfield, and yeah, she's gonna go shopping. I'm gonna help her pick out some jeans for herself, and yeah, we'll see what else we do. I'm just gonna vlog it so you guys can see Bakersfield. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and also make sure to comment any questions that you guys might have, or if you guys want me to show more of Bakersfield, let me know. And yeah, let's get into the video. It looks so nice today, well, through my shades. Traffic. We're gonna go to the mall, but it's too hot in the mall. It's better right here. We could just walk in. And there's AC because it's really, really hot right here in Bakersfield. Right there, La Ross. Damn. I'm gonna stop recording because then the lady's gonna be like, we have made it. We're here. It's really, really hot. That's why she's drinking water. She's running out of breath. Nah, I'm running out of breath. Alright, let's go. Let's see if we find you some jeans in your size. Because they have the plus size now. That's great. I'm so proud of Old Navy for bringing back the sizes. Let's go. How would these look? Those, they would look good. I'd say black though. Black. I told you. She's gonna try them on. She's a number 7. So, failed attempt. We just got back. Lupita didn't like the selection. Sorry guys for the angle. So she didn't like the selection of jeans. So she's hungry, so we're gonna go eat. We don't know where, probably Carl's Jr. Or we'll see what's close right here, but there's a Carl's Jr., there's a Panda Express, and yeah, we're gonna see where we eat. Carl Jr. There's Chili's. You want something fast food, huh? So like I'm on a diet, so I'm gonna try to choose a healthy option. Yeah, I'm on a lifestyle change. Some chicken with vegetables. I'll see what they have. So we're right here at Carl's Jr. We just had Carl's Jr. I don't know, should I get some star chicken nuggets or something? Yeah, so we could look at the menu. Carl's Jr.
Wait, is that gonna hit you?
What's gonna hit me? The leaves? The leaves. Yeah, but it's like whatever. Alright, so we're gonna get off and eat right here. Got the BBQ chicken. Okay. So we just finished eating. It was super delicious. I really like the charbroiled sandwich. I don't know if I said that right. Charbroiled sandwich. It was really good. It's the number 12 if you guys want to try it, and if you haven't tried it, Lupita got the number 14. You got the number 14, right? It was really good. I just got the sandwich because, as I said, I'm on a diet. Well, I'm like not on a diet. I'm like on a lifestyle change. But yeah, it was really good and healthier option.
It was chicken.
Right now we're gonna go to Ross because she couldn't find jeans at Old Navy. I thought because they added more options, like if you're plus size, like they have up to a 4X. Right now I'm a 2X and Lupita's a 1X. So I thought she would at least find something, but no. So basically we're just gonna go to Ross because I know her sizing already, so I know how big the clothes are, so I could just like tell her what size she could get in some clothes. And yeah, so like I know how to measure her, like just by looking at the clothes. Yeah, that's how good I am because I've been measuring clothes and I know sizing now because of reselling and everything like that. So yeah, we're just gonna go right now. It's right here. It's not that far. It's just like a little drive right here, 3 minutes. Not even 3 minutes. We're already here. We're here, but you can't see the design because of the tree. Design. Barely found this one.
Oh look, this is like my old dress, but red.
That's like from 2007. I mean,
Mine
2010, 2012. I was expecting it not to fit, but it fits. What? So, what do you think? What do you think? But do you like it? You could say if you hate it.
It just kind of.
I like this one. It's pretty good.
Strawberry. Oh shit, it's roses.
Lo veo. No, the pockets are too low.
Like over here.
Those look like you're hired. Nah. Yeah, those look way better.
Yeah.
Those look more comfortable, like they make you look thick. Make you look thick. The other one?
It's over here. It's not over here.
The other ones make you look like, I don't know. Those look more like it. So we just finished shopping. She ended up getting some jeans, the black jeans, and then something else, but it's too personal. I'm not gonna say. Right now we're gonna go to pick up some milk. Some milk, right? For my other sister. And yeah, that's our day right here in Bakersfield. It's like 3:40, 3:57 or something, or 3:47. It's gonna be like 4 already. But it's so nice out right here. gonna go to Winkle?
Yeah.
Okay. We out here in Winkle. Ah, it's hella packed. It's hella packed.
It is.
Yeah. Got the milk.
Not sponsored. Nah.
So we're not taking the freeway?
No, because there's road work.
Like always.
There's only one like flip in.
Alright, so we're headed.
Whatever.
We're heading home. Angel's Donuts. Favorite donuts. Angel's Donuts. Wait, that was the name of Angel's Donuts. Yeah, we're heading home. We're heading home. Where else are we gonna go?
Gotta take the milk to the fridge.
So, change of plans. We're gonna go back to Ross because my mom wanted a dress. And it was really pretty. Lupita thought it was really pretty. I thought it was alright. But we're gonna go get it. We're gonna see if it's still available. We need to go ASAP because people take stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna go pick it up and then we're gonna head home. I hope that he doesn't think that I'm like, or she doesn't think that I'm recording them. Go get this dress. I'm just gonna wait in here. Oh, que espantas.
Bag secured.
Ugh, you scared me. I was just chilling.
Stop chilling.
I was just freaking deleting my videos to make space.
Could have been anybody getting in here.
I know. I was like, I was shook. The woman was too stunned to speak. Alright, so we're gonna head home now. Oh my god. So tired. You have your raspberry tea?
No, I don't want it. I want water.
We're gonna get home in a bit. Let's go. So that is was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment any comments if you guys have any comments, and if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And yeah, we're just gonna head home, and I'm gonna leave you guys with the scenery from here. You guys could see the town, city, while I head back. And yeah, check out all my other videos and give them a thumbs up too, and comment on them too if you want. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.